Hey everybody, it's your host Suzanne. Today I'm doing a cooking special for you with a Daiya grilled cheese. It's expired June 29th, but it smells okay, so we're gonna give it a shot. Grocery store closes in an hour, so I don't feel like walking there, so I'm gonna take my chances. Hopefully it all works out. So, first thing you wanna do is take your bread and hope that your parents actually left you with food. Fuck. Okay, never mind. We're going to the grocery store. I really like to take her with me to the grocery store, but I also don't want her to jump off my shoulder and be gone forever. But I hope to get her a leash soon. So yeah, we can take trips. So I'm home now. Here's my haul. I got my bread, cheese, candy, soup, mango, candy, ice cream, and some Earth Balance butter. Altogether came to $33.07. Why the fuck am I like this? So, first what you want to do, preheat your pan. I was doing this before I went to get groceries. Almost left with it on, but I didn't. Ha! Got you. So yeah, heat the pan up again, I guess, while you're, getting your stuff prepped. What you're gonna need, Daiya cheese or regular cheddar, if you're fine with dairy. I like to have ketchup with my grilled cheese. Don't at me. What does that mean? I don't know. But I might not, because actually I got tomato soup. Didn't really think that through. Vegenaise. You use this instead of butter for frying. It has a really nice creaminess, adds to the sandwich. Again, don't judge me, just try it. You can use regular mayo. And finally, just regular old, cheapest bread you could find. Okay, so we're gonna just peep this fucking dope rig I got going on. But add your cheese. Everybody's done this stuff if you've made grilled cheese before. Oh, I've got the Element on medium-low heat. I like to go fucking ham on the cheese. Because I am very sad that I don't get to eat real cheese, and I make up for it and my sadness in portion sizes. Sorry. Maybe that's inappropriate. Yeah, just make it look decent. Now it's just time to slap that bad boy on the grill. And, well, okay, just fuck it up entirely, but it's fine. You can ow, fuck. But in the end, honestly, it's fine, because we're actually going to sprinkle the cheese on top of the sandwich to make it nice and crispy and get that crispy cheese. So, joke's on you, clumsiness. I actually wanted to do that. I meant to do that. There. And just get both sides with mayo. I do it after, so then I don't get the sticky bread on the countertop. I don't know. Bothers me. Maybe it bothers you. It's the little things. They add up. She's hot and ready to go. I just shoved the cheese back in because I'm ruthless. So yeah, just leave her to slow cook for just a couple of minutes. Get the cheese nice and melty. Leave it on low. This is why we have it on low. It might still burn a bit because it's cast iron. But, you know, play a little risky sometimes, you know? Life's all about surprises. So while you're waiting, treat yourself, you know? I don't know why we're treating ourselves, but we are, you know? It's hard work making yourself food, and it deserves a celebration. So yeah, just get yourself a good old nug to roll yourself a doob. Question, what is a doob? What's the difference between a joint, a doob, a roach, a spliff? What other words are there? I think I do know the difference between all of those. Oh, a blunt. I do know the difference between those. I'm just, you know, wondering what other people's opinions are. This is the good old handy nickel in a pill bottle grinder. Trademark Jenna North gave me this idea, and it works really well. So just grind up your weed. I'm really good at other things too. This helps, you know, get some practice in. Normally, if you weren't vlogging, you would have time to finish rolling that joint, but I just took that video and then I'm already checking on my grilled cheese. So here it is. The mayo's kind of melted a little bit. Oh, well, okay, fuck. Okay, don't worry about it. You can scrape it off. I don't know if okay. Fuck. So, now flip it. It's not too bad. It's not too burnt, actually. That's, like, ideal. Now, is it still filming? You want to add a sprinkle on your cheese. Yeah, nice. You should have something like this. Let it keep cooking. Get back to your rolling station. Okay. So, what I like to do, I've just got this like Shadow Mountain business card. Make your little filter. Dump that shit in there. I don't know. That kind of thing. Shh. Take your weed. And check on your grilled cheese because it's probably burning. Perfect timing. Give it another flip. Sexy! Oh my god! Everything works out! It's all gonna be okay. Add more cheese. Just, you know, what do you have to lose? It's vegan. It's fine. So, again, maybe we'll flip already. Take a chance. Take a chance on me. Look at that. Could probably crisp it up a little longer. So just wait for that other side to crisp. I don't know. I don't have a time for you. I cook by feeling. If it looks crispy, if it looks tasty, it's probably done. Let's flip it again. God, too early again. Whatever. It's fine. Also, I realized I forgot to heat up my fucking soup. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna eat this grilled cheese with ketchup because I don't feel like heating that up. Finish rolling the joint. Give this another flip. Oh, nice. What do the kids say? Kobe. Is that what it is? I don't know what that means. Turn off your element, please. Do not light your house on fire. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Okay. I'm gonna take this and the rolling shit up on the deck. I'll meet you up there. All right, hey, so I'm on the front patio now. Peep me attempt to roll this. Just so you know, I've been smoking weed since I was like 15, dude, so I'm pretty bad at this. I just started like actually learning how to roll like last summer. So take it easy on me, man. Do my best. Take it slow. Even though my grilled cheese is getting cold, it'll be worth it. I just googled how to do this. Don't take tips from me. Everything is on the internet that you need to know. Oh well, fuck. And try not to spill weed everywhere. Won't have full teeth, my friend. Oh, fuck! Yeah, I smoke weed. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's try this fucking grilled cheese. Fucking try it. It's delicious. Catch you later. Maybe not.